Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn a quick and easy way to automatically set the default stock transfer during billing in your system. So let's get started. Head to the sale voucher configuration. Select the relevant series. Under Other Settings 1, click on Other Settings, then go to Default 2. Here you will find an option labeled as Stock Transfer. Stock transfer is used in multi-branch system for transferring stock from one branch to another branch. Let's monitor its performance. We are currently logged into the Ahmedabad branch. We are initiating a stock transfer to the Kolkata branch. Therefore, Ahmedabad will be considered the source branch, and Kolkata will be the destination branch for this transaction. Before proceeding to stock transfer, make sure that the destination branch in the setup account is linked to the relevant party. Let's move to the setup account form by pressing the shortcut key F2. As you can see, this party has been designated as a stock transfer party because when we enable stock transfer in the sales configuration, only those accounts that are marked as stock transfer party in the setup account will appear on the billing form. The destination branch is also linked to the corresponding party. Now, let's return to the sale bill window and proceed with generating the stock transfer document. In the configuration, you can see the stock transfer option is selected by default. The stock transfer document has been generated successfully. You can also set a specific series for stock transfer in the Setup Bill series. Enter the desired series name for stock transfer, set the type to Sale, and ensure that the stock transfer option is selected as true. Only then will the system recognize it as a valid stock transfer series. Enter the other details according to the requirement and save the changes made. Next, go to the sale voucher configuration. Select the stock transfer out series and proceed to configure it. You may either manually set the series configuration or choose to set the configuration by copying any existing series. Let's set the series configuration by copying an existing series. Simply select the option Copy Configuration From and choose the series whose settings you wish to copy for your stock transfer out series. After making your selection, click Copy and then save the configuration. The STO series has been configured successfully. Now, it will only appear in the Stock Transfer Out under the Billing section.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.